In Act 1, Scene 6 of Macbeth by William Shakespeare, the scene unfolds as King Duncan, accompanied by his entourage, arrives at Macbeth's castle in Inverness. This event is marked by formal and polite exchanges, particularly between King Duncan and Lady Macbeth, who shifts adeptly into the role of the perfect hostess, making this scene a pivotal moment in the play for establishing a false sense of security and showcasing the deceptive nature of appearances. The welcoming at the castle is laden with dramatic irony, a literary device that Shakespeare employs masterfully throughout the play. Duncan's admiration of the castle's surroundings and the pleasant air, alongside his unawareness of the dark plots that await him within its walls, creates a stark and ominous contrast. His remarks about the beauty and serenity of the castle, which he perceives as a kind of paradise, are heavily ironic since the audience is already aware of Macbeth's treacherous plan to murder him. The mention of the martlet, a summer bird that has made its nest on the castle, further accentuates this irony. The bird typically symbolizes peace and harmony, a tribute starkly at odds with the castle's imminent association with regicide and turmoil. Lady Macbeth's interaction with Duncan is characterized by an elaborate and courteous dialogue, which significantly contrasts her demeanor and intentions in the previous scenes. Her performance as a gracious hostess is a deceitful act that cloaks her malicious ambition and her part in the plotting of Duncan's murder. This duplicity is central to the play's exploration of appearance versus reality. The scene is carefully staged to emphasize the grandeur and formality of the royal visit, with details like music and the visible preparation of food and drink for the festivities, even though these elements are described rather than shown directly on stage. Shakespeare thus intends for the audience to imagine a scene of conviviality and celebration, a facade that masks the dark undercurrents of betrayal and ambition that are at play. In summary, Act 1, Scene 6 of Macbeth sets a critical tone for the unfolding narrative, using dramatic irony and the contrasting public personas of the characters, particularly Lady Macbeth, to deepen the play's thematic concerns. The juxtaposition of the seemingly idyllic setting with the underlying treachery serves to amplify the tension and foreboding that will come to define the subsequent acts. Through the polite and ceremonious dialogue, Shakespeare underscores the dangerous disparity between the appearance of loyalty and hospitality and the lurking intent of betrayal. If this video was helpful, please smash the like button and tell me what you would like to see in our next Bookly video in the comment section below. This has been another Bookly Crash Course.